So I upgraded to a GoPro Hero 9 after I broke my GoPro Hero 8. Is what happened to my GoPro Hero 8 is I dropped it in the gravel and the screen broke on the back here. So now I upgraded to the GoPro Hero 9. The issues I've had with the GoPro Hero 9 is that it overheats. They said that the batteries tend to overheat on it. So after about 15-20 minutes you got to take the batteries out because they'll be really hot. So as what I did is I bought this 2-pack of extra batteries here. So I can just take one of these extra batteries and put it back in here, and then I can just rotate these batteries and I'm good to go. And then I'll be able to keep on filming after about 15-20 minutes. It gets really hot, and so I'll just switch those out. The things I miss about the GoPro Hero 8 is it was real simple and didn't seem to overheat as bad. But the nice thing about the Hero 9 is that it has this little screen on the front here. With the GoPro Hero 8, I would set it up and then I'd just be kind of guessing where I was, and a lot of times I would crop my head off or even crop my face off right here, and all I would see is my mouth on there. So the nice thing about this is with that little screen there, I can kind of frame myself in there and I can see myself talking, and so that's really nice. Plus this has a little bit better stabilization on it too, so when I'm moving around and doing stuff it seems a little more stable, a little smoother. It just kind of like smooths in like that for the stabilization, so that's pretty nice. The other nice thing about it is with the faster processor, everything's a little bit snappier and it all seems to work a little bit better. So other than that overheating issue where I got to change the battery out every 15 minutes, I'm pretty happy with this thing. Another thing that people have said to do is to don't just turn it on and leave it, because if it does overheat and freezes up, you could lose your video. So film in shorter spurts, and then that way you don't have to risk losing anything, or at least you don't have to risk losing that much. But if you change your battery out after 15-20 minutes, then you really shouldn't have any issues with it. And besides, it's been pretty hot. It's been over 100 degrees every day, so after about 15-20 minutes I'm overheating too, and I need to come inside anyways and get out of the sun for a minute. I have used this a few times in the swimming pool. I installed some pool lights, and so I was able to get in the pool and film some things with it. And it's pretty nice to be able to get back in the water and film some things where if I had that Hero 8 with a crack on it, I'd be taking a chance if I got in there with it. So yeah, other than that overheating issue, I'm pretty happy with it, and this extra little battery pack seems to help take care of that problem. So yeah, it feels pretty good to be back on track and have a nice little camera again.